Hey folks, LA Little here with TA Today, and I'm going to do one question today, that is Nvidia topped out already? Is it over? Is the top in? And if we look at this here, we've got bearish. This is the MTTFs extended. That means we're going to get over a swing point high. That's almost a given at this point. So that means it's going to try and go up from here. Where can it go? Well, if we look at the ABCD structures, of which I have a new book that's coming out, specifically ABCD structures, how to use them as projection tools, how to use them to control, manage your trades. If you want that, come over to the site, sign up. I'll get you on the list. I'm going to be giving away discounted books for the first 200 subscribers. So if we go here and look at this, this says that it's going to go to 155 on an intermediate term time frame. You got two long-term time frames out there at 182. So this says, hey, it could make a new high. Now let's look just at the charts. Forget those. Here's your ideal of a potential top, right? You make a long run, some sort of a rounding action here, right? And now you got a clear ledge underneath. So the question will be, will this break down? Or will it violate this rounded top, right, and actually make new highs? So that's what it looks like on the monthly. Here's Nvidia on a weekly. Now here you kind of see your rounding top. This is the hump pattern, right? And then you have this, potentially you get some sort of head and shoulders as this thing moves back up. If it, of course, gets over this swing point high, well, it's going to the top. But it's got a long way to get there. Before that happens, you have retest regions you can look at. And this is one of them right here. And so it's got to get over the 120 mark. I believe I'll give you the exact number, 119.66, to break that retest region. So that's the first key area to look at. So this swing point high probably gets broken. These are going to be the key ones. If you can get over this area, right, then you can climb all the way back up to, you know, the 135, even 140 mark. But I think that's where you're going to run into problems. I think that sets up potentially that head and shoulders type pattern that we're looking at. So Nvidia, the question, has it made a top? It's not clear yet. I wouldn't bet on it making another leg up though. And why? Well, because I think the whole AI thing is changing. It's not about chips anymore, it's about reasoning. Nvidia doesn't have a leg up on the reasoning side of it. Reasoning says you're going to have less demand for chips. Eventually you'll have a lot of demand for chips, right? But not the kind of growth you've seen here. That's where I'm at on Nvidia.